Alright, this is a brief overview of my SkyFire Mill upgrade. This is an upgrade to ClearPath servos, and they're being run by a Centroid Acorn controller. As you can see, here's my test setup rig. The Acorn screen, everything's running. Here's my bench setup here, my final bench setup for the electronics. I did a setup with the motors not connected to the machine. This is just a setup with the motors connected to the machine, so I can make any necessary tweaks before I finally throw everything into the control cabinet. Now, because of the limited space of my apartment, the control cabinet's actually going to be in back of this mill stand, which I'll, I guess, show in the next video. These are the ClearPath servos. They are NEMA 23 size, 620 ounce inch max peak torque. I think max rotation speed of 1080 RPM. I'm going to jog the axes just to show you what's going on. Here we have the Z, X, and Y. I'm just jogging these really slow right now, just to demonstrate. Okay, I'm going to go to fast jog. Oops. Which is pretty fast. And I'll show you right here. Hopefully the movement's a lot smoother than when I had the steppers, and definitely a lot quieter. Alright, not yet done are limit switches. Spindle's not wired yet. I changed the spindle to an air-cooled spindle because I may need to move the machine around the apartment. This mill is on wheels, and that'll allow me to plug in somewhere else without having to worry about water coolant and stuff. I might mount the VFD probably around here on an arm. Again, I'd like to mount it on a wall, but I really don't have too much options here in an apartment. I can't really mount things on the wall. The screen I might be mounting here on this side. There'll be an arm coming out and forward where this stainless steel tray that holds the monitor and the keyboard will be. I don't have set plans on how that's going to work, though. I'm going to have to bolt something onto this enclosure that's not going to be holding any electronics, by the way, except for possibly the computer. I'll run a cable so I can plug in my flash drive at the console end without having to reach to the back of the machine. I'm basically going to use this for cable management, to get all the cables tucked in and eventually go into the control cabinet that's below this stand. So that's all for now. I will keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching.